If you want to enable picture-in-picture mode on OnePlus 13 5G, so first of all, open up your settings. Now we have to scroll down to our apps section. Then let's find our app management, and here we're gonna choose an application which we want our picture-in-picture mode to be activated in, right? So let's choose our YouTube, for example. It's very suitable with YouTube. There it is, tap on it. So here we're gonna scroll down and find our picture-in-picture option. There it is. Make sure that it is allowed. And now you can choose, you can do it with many applications. However, keep in mind that some of them do not support this option, like your My Files, for example, they do not support this. However, your Netflix will support this. So once again, it depends on the application. Now you can open up a YouTube, choose any video. Like for example, let's choose this one. And if we're gonna tap here, we can choose it at the floating window, and we can navigate through it. And we can use it on top of other application. Oh yeah, we can use it on top of other applications. Basically, that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.